The science behind Ho'oponopono is very simple. It works because everything in the universe is made of vibrations and frequency. Let me explain. Every word has energy, every word has frequency. When you say the word Om, it has a specific frequency, doesn't it? When you say a bad word, it makes you feel bad because it has a specific frequency, right? Just like that, what is Ho'oponopono made of? It is made of four beautiful statements, which is made of wonderful, powerful words. Example, I am sorry.
Sorry.
When you say this, have you ever felt bad when somebody says sorry? No. जब किसी से दोस्ती खराब हो जाती है, and when somebody says I'm sorry यार, कितनी जल्दी सालों का गुस्सा खत्म हो जाता है ना? When you say please forgive me, such a humble frequency. Thank you. It is full of gratitude. That emotion is so beautiful. And especially the last statement, I love you. The whole universe works on love. So when you combine these four powerful statements, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, it has to work, right? Because we are creating frequency at the highest possible level. So when you vibrate at a high level, you cannot attract problems at a low level. How does Ho'oponopono transform relationships? It's some of the most easiest techniques in the world are usually not used. Ho'oponopono being one of them. Think about it. When two people are angry with each other, what do we really need? We need two things. We need acceptance and we need love, right? So when I say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I'm creating acceptance for the other person and for myself. When I'm saying thank you, I'm creating love. And when I'm saying I love you, I'm creating more love. So if you could create acceptance and love in any relationship in the world, wouldn't it be a beautiful relationship? So it doesn't matter how many fights there are in your relationship. Try this one simple technique. Think about the person you're angry with or the person who's angry with you. Sit at one place, take their name, and 11 times just say their name and say, for an example, let's say your mom is angry with you. Just say, Mom, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Repeat this 11 times and see the magic that creates between you and your mom. Try this, and if you want to practice it with me and you want to attend a complete Ho'oponopono live workshop with me, this weekend I'm doing a live workshop on Ho'oponopono. To attend the first lesson completely free as my gift for you, there's a link below this video. Quickly click on it now. Come, let's practice Ho'oponopono together. Aa jao.